This is the quickest way to invert your skin edges, the horizontal mattress. You go across, you mount it straight away, you turn the needle around, you palm the needle holder, pull the suture through, you go in next to where you came out, you come out next to where you came in. Pull the suture through. A surgeon's knot. A reef knot. Another reef knot. Here's another way. You go across, you pull the suture through, you turn the needle around, you go in adjacent to where you came out, and exit next to where you first went in. A surgeon's knot, a reef knot, another reef knot.